morning and thank you for joining our daily outlook. And today we'll cover the changes in gold. Greg will be sharing insights from our trading desk.
The price of gold has gained 0.4% in the last session. The ADX has plunged into the negative zone. The euro-dollar pair has remained as is in the last session. The ADX collapsed into the negative area. The sterling-dollar pair has fallen 0.4% in the last two sessions. The ROC shifted sharply into the negative area. The Aussie-dollar pair has lost 0.4% in the last two sessions. The CCI has moved sharply into the negative zone.
Thank you for sharing with us. Now let's hear from our news department.
The greenback may fall if demand for Haven-linked assets fall after testimonies from Powell and Mnuchin to the House. Bitcoin has recovered about half of the value it lost during its crash the first week of September, as the Fed's commitment to low interest rates helped buoy Bitcoin's price. Facebook has told Ireland's High Court it cannot see how its services could operate in the European Union if regulators freeze its data transfer mechanism.
Thank you. Now let's hear today's most important economic events.
New Zealand's RBNZ rate statement will be released at 0000 GMT. The UK public sector net borrowing at 400 GMT. The U.S. Red Book at 1055 GMT. The U.S. existing home sales at 1200 GMT, the Eurozone's consumer confidence at 1200 GMT, and the Australian manufacturing PMI at 2100 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.